is a better way to treat your damaged hair. Save Me From Hair Care is tip to root, clinically proven, and custom fit hair repair treatments that are like skincare for your hair. Every drop counts. Don't rinse away our highly potent active ingredients. For best results, use at least once weekly as an overnight hair mask and 2 to 3 times a week as a leave-in hair repair styling treatment. When used this way, a full-size jar will last about 2 months on average. To use as an overnight hair mask, dampen hair, gently combing through. Divide hair into 4 to 6 sections. Use approximately a pea-size amount per section. Dampen hands and lather product to dilute our concentrated formula to make the product spread farther. Apply from tip to root, starting at ends, focusing on split ends first, with less product, working your way up to the scalp. Comb through to evenly distribute the product, then twist each section to seal in the goodness. Repeat with 1 pump per section. For long, thick, coarse hair like mine, I use 5 to 6 pumps, but for short, thin, fine hair, use only 3 to 5 pumps total as an overnight hair mask. These are true hair treatments with scalp care and do not replace your conditioner or a typical mask. Most masks do just that. They only mask hair damage like a band-aid. Silicones sit on the surface. With Save Me From, our key technologies are able to penetrate into the multiple layers of the hair shaft, offering replenishing results for your hair. Save Me From is made with Fenugen, a technology which helps to strengthen the hair against breakage and visibly reduce split ends, while also promoting full hair health from tip to root, inside and out. Fenugen is made from fenugreek, which has a maple scent unique in hair care. It's because of fenugreek that you see these replenishing results. Wrap hair up or wear in braids overnight. For fine, thin hair, you may want to shampoo and condition in the morning. For thick, coarse hair, it's easy to leave it overnight and undo your braids in the morning to get waves like mine, or blow it out for soft, silky, strong hair. For a lightweight treatment on clean, damp, section hair, apply 1 pea size in total. Some cases, you may apply 1/2 to 3 pea sizes, depending on your hair thickness, length, and texture. Apply throughout hair, concentrating on ends, working your way up to the mid-shaft, applying the remainder on roots. When applied correctly, the scent is a light and warm maple aroma, and with time is a unique scent that you will grow to love like I do. As a finishing touch, use just a hair of product to smooth flyaways. This leave-in treatment is just like skincare. Save Me From's proven results improve when the product is allowed to remain in the hair over time with consistent use.